Hi! Hello! Hi! It is October 1st, woo! Which means we are in the official countdown to Halloween. So, October, countdown to Halloween. Yes, I am very excited. Today, I figured, you know what? It's Halloween. It's spooky season. So I kind of figured, you know what? Let's do something fun. Let's build some spooktacular, creeptacular dolls. Because why not? So I bought a couple of dolls just from a thrift store. They look like regular old dolls. I kind of figured we're just gonna paint them up, maybe add some moss to them, do some cool stuff, and make them spooktacular. Let's start. It's October. Oh, guys, look at my shirt. Check this out. Ready? You ready for this? It glows! It glows in the dark! Yeah, that's better. Oh, rough night. Ugh. There's something really upsetting about this one. I don't know what it is. I don't think I can improve it. Ugh. Like, I wouldn't want to see this thing at the end of my hallway at night. Ugh.
Boo!
Oh my god, what am I doing? Oh, that's really effective. Ah! I'm not gonna lie, I'm like looking around at all these like creepy dolls I'm painting. It's a little like, it's like maybe a little spooky even for me. Just working, just painting, and then I look over and, or looking over and sometimes I spook myself. Look at this one. I don't think she likes being pretty. No, you don't like being a pretty angel? Do you want to be creepy? Yeah, you want a makeover? Let's get you a makeover. Do you like your makeover? Feel more like yourself? I think you came out looking very nice. You seem happier. as you can see, I creepified some dolls. Am I happy with this? Yes? Are they pure nightmare fuel? Yes? What did I do? Oh, look at them, they're horrible. Oh, no. No, I have to live with them now. All right, well, thank you for watching this shorter, just, Halloween, getting in the Halloween spirit video. Obviously I had a lot of fun. Obviously they are a little on the alarming side. Didn't quite mean to turn that to 11, but it happens. If you enjoyed watching me make abominations that I may need to take out and burn and potentially bury the ashes so they don't haunt my dreams, go ahead and like. If you want to see more of whatever this is, go ahead and subscribe, and I will see you guys around. Ow, I just whacked my nose. Oh. Ah!